This thing.
Hi. Hi. What's going on, Mia? Really? Was it exciting? Was it frustrating? Did you take a good nap today? Did you take a good nap today? Did you have fun? Did you have nice, sweet dreams? Are you gonna play with Marcus tomorrow? Is that a yes? Is that a yes? Are you excited for that? Guess what? It's Daddy's birthday tomorrow. Yeah. Are you gonna sing happy birthday? Are you practicing now? Or are you gonna wait till tomorrow? Yeah. You're my little girl. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. You're too cute. You're so cute. Do you see Daddy filming you? What is that filming? What is that? That we're gonna sing happy birthday tomorrow? Happy birthday to Daddy. Yeah, Mia. Yay for Mia! Yay for Mia! Yay for Mia! Okay.